Okay, so yeah, another thing I'm noticing about this channel is that it's growing at a different pace than I was expecting. I guess the algorithm is flooded. There's a million of us trying to do tutorials about film, how to shoot cinematic and all this stuff. I guess that was one of the things that attract me to here, just because I'm trying to become a director, or that's my passion. I'm trying to be a pro director, not just someone that buys gear for the sake of buying gear and just keep it like that. But the weirdest thing is whatever is bringing more subscribers to my channel is things like this. Like this Bronco. I took it for an inspection this morning. It failed. I'm trying to get it registered in Texas. It is from California, but there's a couple things that are not working in the car. The main culprit is this thing, if you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to swap it for that one over there. Pop, pop. I don't know if I should be saying this online. It's a legal thing to do. It's loophole in the system. I'm gonna order some. It's just that the store is about an hour away. That's a little bit difficult. So I'm gonna just show you how to do it. This is a trick with cars. Whenever you have enough leverage, I have this Allen key and I have to take a screw that I'm going to show you in a moment, which is super tight. When you don't have enough leverage, you have to create leverage. I just messed up my finger. So what you do is you use an Allen key or use a wrench, and then you put it on the back of this piece. This is the key I have, which is tiny. If I put it right here, it goes this much, this far. Just enough for my hand. I don't have enough leverage to move it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use this wrench key and I'm gonna tie it like this. This is the deal. I wasn't able to remove. I was able to take this part off, which is the upper part, if you guys can see. But the lower part, it's a pain in the butt. So I'm taking it to the mechanic. They have the tools. I don't have them. But it's just removing those two things and trying to switch everything. If I had the tool, I'll do it, but whatever. Yeah, I've been thinking a lot about the channel, the growth of the channel. And I don't want to fall in the trap of trying to make a channel grow to get what? I would like eventually for the channel to make some money so I can invest in the channel. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm not that convincing as a filmmaker. I'm still gonna post stuff. I'm gonna bring some new videos, and I have a couple more projects for the New Year Film Academy. There's a comedy, as I've told you a million times already, that is coming soon. I'm doing the Foley, all the audio. And finally, yeah, let's see where this thing takes us. I'm gonna keep creating videos just because it's fun. I hope if you're watching this, it's like the bottle thing. If you're watching this video, that you like it. See you guys in the next one. Peace. This is my dog. His name is Pops, or Poppy, or Popster, or something. Say hi, buddy. He is toothless nowadays. He looks like a vampire. Love you, buddy.